Hello student, how are you today? Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic named as accounting from incomplete records. Before we start to this topic, let us understand what do you mean by incomplete records. Incomplete record is a term used for any system of bookkeeping which does not have full double entry. That means where the double effect of transaction is not being recorded, where we never pass journal entry, only we record cash and some detail of personal account. This method is also called as single entry system. Let us first understand what was the problem with the single entry system, which you have already studied in SYJC level. The first problem, it is a defective way of recording transaction. In accountancy, it is not a recognized system of accounting. In this, it is impossible to know the total purchase and sale because we don't have a track of it. It is not a complete record maintained. We have only details of personal account, cash account and some bank transaction. In this, real and nominal accounts are absent. Some assets we have data of that, no doubt in that, but the major real accounts are not prepared. We don't have trial balance, so we cannot check the accuracy of transactions also. Then we cannot prepare profit and loss account in single entry system. So if we don't have profit and loss account and trading account, there is no possibility of preparing of balance sheet also. So information whatever we have, it is always cannot give me a proper idea whether my business is making profit or not. It only shows a one aspect of transaction. Then just understand what is the double entry system. In double entry system of accountancy, we can rely more on the transactions because we start the transaction by proper passing journal entries. We have all two aspects of transaction, that is debit effect and credit effect. With the help of that, we prepare different types of ledger account, and due to which effect of all accounts are properly maintained. Okay, we can prepare subsidiary ledger account also. And as I said, both debit and credit aspects of transaction is recorded. So this accountancy, we prepare all personal accounts, real accounts and all possible nominal accounts. And in this double entry system, we see that the transactions are recorded in a very systematical manner through journal, then is been posted to ledger, and at the last we prepare trial balance, and with the help of that trial balance and your information and adjustment, we prepare financial statements, which we can get it by preparing trading profit and loss account and balance sheet as well. And at the same time, we can measure our income and expenditure properly. Now let us understand how this single entry system can be converted into double entry system. That's what we are going to understand, that's what we are going to study in our this topic, which is accounting from incomplete record. That's why this method is also called as conversion method, in which we actually convert the account which is already prepared with the help of single entry system to a double entry system. Now first of all, let us understand what will be given to us in the question. First, we'll get details of some personal accounts like details of capital or bank overdraft, details, transactions with the debtors, transaction with the creditors, bill receivable, some details, and bills payable detail. At the same time, we get information about the receipt and payment during the year, and then we'll have adjustment. What is the rate of depreciation is charged on the assets, what is the rate of RDD is being provided, then various transaction like this transaction, and some information about when the loan is taken and what is the rate of interest, and so those sort of information we'll get. Now the next question is what we have to prepare. First of all, we have to prepare opening balance sheet. Now question is why there is a need to prepare opening balance sheet. The answer is the reason to prepare opening balance sheet is to get the capital balance, or we can say it is opening capital, that what capital the owner or the proprietor has at the beginning of the year. Then we have to prepare different working notes, like to get the details of purchase we have to prepare creditors account. To get the likewise, to get the details of bills payable, bill receivable, we have to prepare various working account. Then we have to prepare bank or cash account if required. Okay, that's why I have written there or and cash if it is required only. If the balance is closing balance is directly given, then there is no need to prepare. If the closing balance of cash is given, then there is no need to prepare cash account. Then we have to prepare this accounts on the basis of some given link. Okay, then after that finally we have to draft trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet is the last. And the balance sheet, as we know, will not get satisfaction until my balance sheet get tallied. Here that's why we have to prepare balance sheet. Thank you so much.